Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Rose Suhal and you are watching Arkan Times Daily English News. Today is Thursday, 13 June 2024. Today's news headlines: Rohingya village has been encircled and the villagers are abducted by terrorist group AA in Mongdo Township. Almost 40 Rohingya people were killed in the Naf River. Rohingya villagers are blocked to re-enter to their original villages in Mongdo Township. Rohingya passers-by in Mongdo downtown are being stopped and inspected by Burmese genocidal military BGM. Details of today's news. Rohingya villages have been encircled and the Rohingya villagers are being abducted by terrorist group AA in northern Mongdo Township, Arkan state of Myanmar since the last 9th June 2024. Myotown Rohingya village has been surrounded by terrorist group AA since the last 9th June, and the Rohingya villagers of the village are being abducted by terrorist group AA too. SO said that the village has been surrounded, the villagers are being abducted, and the properties of the villagers are being robbed. Some Rohingya villagers of Myotown Rohingya village in northern Mongdo Township have been abducted and they have been taken in the regiment of Nakuya village by terrorist group AA. Every houses of Rohingya in Myotown Rohingya village has been inspected by terrorist group AA since the last 9th June, and the properties such as gold, money and worthy things are being robbed by terrorist group AA too. Many Rohingya villagers were inhumanly beaten up during the inspection of Rohingya houses in Myotown village in northern Mongdo Township by terrorist group AA. More than 40 people were killed when the Burmese genocidal military Navy attacked a boat carrying Rohingyas. At 10 p.m. on June 9th, a boat carrying 35 adults and children sank in Mongdo Township. I left Mongni village for Bangladesh. 5 minutes after the boat left, they asked 3 Burmese border police officers to stop the boat and escorted 6,000 Bangladeshi taka. After that, when the boat was about 2 miles away, a Burmese Navy ship hit the boat and caused it to sink. The boat sank and only 1 woman and 2 men survived. Fortunately, all 3 of them returned to Mongdo. Most of the people on the boat were injured and most of them were from Butidong Township. All of them are fleeing to get medical treatment in Bangladesh. According to survivors, at least 40 people were killed. It is known that bodies are floating in the Naf River. Approximately 7,000 Rohingyas from Lapauza Rohingya village and Paungza Rohingya village in northern Mongdo Township, Arkan state of Myanmar, have been homeless after the clashes between terrorist group AA and Burmese genocidal military BGM on 6 May 2024. 4 innocent Rohingya civilians from Lapauza and Paungza villages were killed and many people were injured due to the airstrike by Burmese genocidal military BGM on the last 6 May. More than 40 houses of Rohingyas were also burned down to ashes due to the airstrike by Burmese genocidal military BGM from the aforementioned villages in the same date. The Rohingya villagers of the 2 villages have been in around and the township since the last 6th May, after they were forcibly displaced. There is no tents to live nor humanitarian aids to livelihood for them. The evacuated Rohingya villagers can neither able to purchase any necessaries nor able to sell anything in the market as there is movement restriction by both terrorist group AA and Burmese genocidal military BGM. The evacuated Rohingya villagers can't purchase anything as the price have been astonishingly increased. The 2 Rohingya villages, Lapauza and Paungza, have been confiscated by terrorist group AA since the clashes in 6 May 2024. Terrorist group AA have been positioned there since the confiscation. The Rohingya villagers who evacuated from these 2 villages have not been permitted to re-enter to their villages through. There is no clashes occurring between terrorism group AA and Burmese Genocidal Military BGM by terrorism group AA. Most of the Rohingyas from the two villages are farmers and daily workers. The evacuated villagers want to go back to their original villages as the rainy season is approached almost. The terrorism group AA blocked the evacuated villagers of the two villages from re-entering to their original villages, though the evacuated Rohingya villagers frequently tried to re-enter the villages. The evacuated villagers are intimidated too when they try to re-enter the villages in their original villages. The arrangement of quick relocation of the evacuated Rohingya people to their original villages from temporary shelters must be stopped by terrorism group AA. Rohingya people who have been evacuated due to clashes between terrorism group AA and Burmese Genocidal Military BGM are forbidden to re-enter to their original villages in northern Mondo Township, Arakan state of Myanmar. The villagers want to re-enter to their original villages. Rohingyas residents of Mongdo downtown in Arakan state of Myanmar are being stopped and inspected by Burmese Genocidal Military BGM while they do up down through the main roads in Mongdo downtown. Burmese Genocidal Military BGM is inspecting in 4 places in Mongdo downtown, and the 4 places are Myuma Indong, Pendop Imbrish, Wat number 2 and Shweza. Different groups of Burmese Genocidal Military BGM positioned in different places of the villages, and they do stop and inspect the passers-by. The people who are doing up down with Mongdo downtown are being stopped and inspected. The cars, vehicles, motorcycles and smartphones are being inspected too by Burmese Genocidal Military BGM. The residents of Mongdo downtown are restricted of movements after terrorism group A had ordered them to leave the downtown. Rohingyas are in critical condition and they need protection of international communities. Thanks for watching Arakan Times Daily English News.